In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit templates in ClickUp. If you're managing projects or tasks, using templates can really streamline your workflow and save you time. In this tutorial, we'll go step by step through the process of editing templates directly in ClickUp. So let's dive right in and make your task management even more efficient. First up, you want to head over to the Overview section within ClickUp. This area is your starting point, where you can get a broad view of your workspaces and projects. Simply navigate to the left-hand menu and you'll see the Overview section listed there. Click on it, and it will bring you to a centralized location where you can manage various aspects of your tasks. Next, you'll want to locate the plus icon on your screen, usually at the bottom or sidebar of the application interface. Click on this icon to open up additional options. You'll find a range of choices that allow you to expand your workspace functionalities. But for now, go ahead and click on Templates from the menu that appears. This is your gateway to managing all your saved templates. Once you've clicked on Templates, you'll see a list of all the templates available in your ClickUp workspace. Browse through them to find the specific template you want to edit. You can usually find it by name or by the category it might be sorted into. Once you locate your template, click on it to bring up more options. Now let's move on to using the template. Hover over your selected template and a button labeled Use Template should appear. Click on this button to initiate the process of applying the template to your current workspace. This step is crucial as it allows you to use the structure of the template while still making any necessary adjustments. Afterward, you will be prompted to confirm your choice by clicking again on Use Template in a follow-up dialog. This confirmation step ensures that you're ready to proceed with the selections you've made without any accidental changes going unnoticed. Next, you'll want to click on Your Template. This action allows you to personalize the template further. Here you can make changes specific to your project needs, whether it be task names, due dates, or specific steps in a process you're managing. Finally, navigate to your tasks by clicking on Task. This will enable you to integrate your customized template into specific tasks or project elements within ClickUp. From here, you can tailor tasks to fit your workflow precisely, ensuring that your project management is as seamless as possible. And that's it! You've successfully edited your templates in ClickUp. With these templates now tailored to your specific requirements, you'll find managing your tasks and projects much simpler and more efficient. Give it a try and watch how your productivity improves with these streamlined processes. Thanks for watching and happy task mastering!